Actually, no, Matt, you gotta do the intro, dude. This is your fucking cleaning video.
Are you going?
It's rolling.
Alright. Welcome back. Another Club Kaizen video. Boys, gotta get ready for Speed and Customs coming up here. A couple weeks. It's August 9th, right?
August 9th?
August 9th.
Be there, be square.
And in Kaizen fashion, Matt is the first one to get ready.
Hey.
Get some light in here for you guys.
There you go.
And get the hoopty all nice and clean. That's gonna have to be...
Put it right in, there you go. No, put that right in there.
That's gonna fall on the car.
Whoa! No, it won't.
The white's gonna fall. Sticky. Okay. So yeah. I'm gonna get the car clean.
Oh! Nice fucking catch, bro! Holy shit, dude! Nice fucking catch! That's good.
I fucking told you, man.
That's good. You did call it, bro.
Wait.
That was fucking smooth. This guy's basically fucking Spider-Man. Just Spidey senses were tingling. He even called it.
Spider-Man was with me, dude.
Spider-Man's with him.
Gross these fucking seats are.
Yeah, do that before. We'll have the before and after.
Oh.
They are pretty gross. We'll get the light in there so we can get the real before and after.
The Japanese piss from back in the day, dude.
Yeah.
Some little Japanese guy probably pissed himself.
We have to vacuum your dash. That's crazy.
Oh, we got the sneaks in here.
Where? Oh. Dude, we're gonna get more of these for the show. Come on down to the booth. Scoop some ginger beer drift stickers. Ooh.
Yeah, I think we're doing, you buy a certain amount of merch to get free sticker or something like that, I think. And some, there'll be a spinny wheel.
Undecided. And a spinny wheel. Don't forget the spinny wheel.
Yeah, we're gonna have a few things.
A few things.
A few things at the booth.
Hopefully some, oh, we're also gonna have Kaizen banners for people to buy if you guys wanna come down and pick one up. Rep the crew.
When I sleep, I dream about my past and put it in perspective. Kill my adolescence, hit a hostage that you never get. And why I got no proper guidance. Once I turned 11, now I'm chasing pleasures that I miss cause things are getting better.
Oh, dude, you can hit the roof.
Yeah, no, it's nuts. That's why I don't have passengers back here.
Why? Fuck it, dude. Put them back here.
Fucking brain fucking bleeds, dude.
Brain bleeds. Why? How do you get this cocksucking thing back up?
With your head when you fucking smash it when you're going fucking sideways, dude.
Just have enough people in here, just go.
Fucking roaches back there.
You got cockroaches back there.
Oh. So fucking dusty back here.
Well, here, take this. While you're back there.
What?
How the hell?
Is this the fucking 10 for revs? Yeah.
Wait, what?
I got revs.
What the fuck, bro?
Cover.
Dude, Eamon's probably been like, where the fuck?
Sorry.
That's funny stuff right there. You got bolts, man? Grab some random screwies.
Yeah, right there. Behind you on the ground.
Behind me? Dude, this thing is so much like the Saphiro. Got bolts behind you.
There's one in the fucking... Where did I put the glove box? Over there.
You even got a fucking... Yo, is this... This is mine. Is this where it came out? Was in your fucking car?
What?
My earring.
I don't know.
Dude, I lost this at fucking Rocky Mountain Drift Club, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's not mine.
Yeah, no shit. Dude, I'm so happy. I found my earring. Fucking W in the chat.
There we go. We got the other fucking mirror piece too.
Oh. W's all around. Does this one work?
Mentally, I'm never broken. You could tell that this forever. You don't know my pain or anything. I've been dealing with opinions, always changing. Good thing I'm changing with this shit. Never take time off. How you think I made this effortless? Talk to all my family. It is time we make a settlement. My parents never talked for 16 years, but that's irrelevant. Have a lot of secrets and only mine that I'm sharing with. Devil or an angel, I could never tell the difference. No time to be pissed off. I was wanting to be like the Griswold. She's stomping on the floor, yelling, "Turn that rap shit off."
Penguin. Ishimoto Penguin.
Oh, it's gone. It's gone. I tried to fucking grab it before.
Alright. We'll put you in there later, buddy. Oh, I do have a black zip tie. It's really fucking long as per usual.
That's how they usually come.
All right.
Fuck a flame.
What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. What are you doing? I'm just wondering this wires. And everyone from which reason. So we're just gonna try to hide these motherfuckers.
Don't worry, I get it, dude. This video's got the same shit. But I just try to hide and take this from her.
Dinner every night, could never finish a plate of it. I hated it, would've traded it, but then again it wouldn't have made me this. They were all so miserable. I was also whatever. Knew it would get better. Had to suck it up so I could get there. Needed checking in on. Could've went rogue, but I stayed in checking. You don't know what pressure. I'ma show you what is real pressure. Birds with different defections, but in return God made me gifted. Can't look at my shadow or reflection. I don't recognize him. Scars of me emotionless with no hope. I was a hopeless kid, but now hocus pocus. I noticed that I just made it out of this. Home never felt like home until I made my way from it. Dad tried to do the best he had in mama fixing this. Graded, but I hated school because of where I was though. Only way to get it out and let them all know what I know. I was born to be alone, this the only thing that I know. I gave up on my family, wish I was there for little bro.
Shane rolled up. Shayner's here. You're reject.
Yeah, something's janky in my car, dude. Something's janky.
This guy no pants on.
Hello. Yeah, why didn't you have pants on, bro? What the hell?
Pants on.
This guy's got no pants on. Where's your pants?
Oh, I told you he'd bring the whole kit. You almost forgot
Keep
it.
the Soviet hat. Whoa, that's cool. That's
And
hard.
pizza?
And pizza.
Pizza with the weight?
Pizza.
Because you don't know what to do.
Almost.
Felt like an experiment, but I turned out better for sure. Develop into a better man, but now I'm living how they want to. Daydreaming all day. No one gave me a chance, surprised I made it. Yeah. No one asks what happened, they just care about what happened. And addiction ruined lives of everyone that I'm surrounded with.
Shit, you scared me.
Hell yeah, brother.